Okay, so we're gonna record installation of um, image to text, and this is really using the Tesseract, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So first thing we need to do is open up Python. I'm actually going to do it through PyCharm, or attempt to do it through PyCharm, which I may or may not have installed on this PC. So it looks like I don't have PyCharm on here. It's under JetBrains if it was. Okay, so we don't have PyCharm on here. So let's go get PyCharm. So we're going to Google PyCharm community download. I could have swore I downloaded this, but maybe not. So we don't want professional, we want the community edition. Community edition, let's download that guy. And, accept all. It's downloaded. Why don't we go out and install Tesseract for Windows, and you can find the download that we need out at here. Get out of here, get out of here. GitHub, Mannheim, Tesseract Wiki. So we'll go out there. And we're on a Windows PC, so we're going to install the downloader here. So it's slowly downloading, I'm assuming. Let's go look at our downloads real quick. Nope, wrong PC. That's my Mac. We want to go to downloads folder. Downloads. And we got two downloads coming down. So one is the PyCharm and the other is Tesseract. So we'll wait for that to download. So we got them downloaded. We're going to install. We got them both downloaded. We're going to install PyCharm first. PyCharm community. Should go by pretty quick. Oh. Just thinking. Yep. Do it. Let it do its thing. Installing it. Sure, it goes to desktop shortcut. Okay, installing our JetBrains. And this will take a little bit to install. So while that guy's installing, let's go ahead and install Tesseract. So the only thing we got to do here is when we install it, we just need to take note of where we install it at, because the little Python script that we're going to write is going to call that exe. I agree, install for everyone's PC. We should be good, just like that. There's where it's going. So grab that guy real quick. And hit next. Install. Next. Finish. So that guy's installed. So next thing we just need PyCharm installed. And we're not going to do this under. We can do it under Anaconda. But we're just going to do it straight away in PyCharm. So I'll wait for this guy to finish up here. Almost there. Faster, faster, faster. Finish. Now if we go down here, type in PyCharm. We should have PyCharm somewhere installed in this. I guess not liking it. Just under JetBrains. JetBrains, there it is. PyCharm. Fire that guy up. This I think is the latest version. Yep, we're gonna agree to that. Continue. And don't send. We'll create a new project. We're gonna do this under C drive. Create a new folder called code. Put it there. Hit OK. Name of the project we're gonna call PyProj image to text, and that should be okie dokie doing it like that. So installing. Bang, bang, bang. Boop, 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 boop. It's waiting, it's waiting, it's waiting. Please check taskbar. Not sure what it's looking for. I don't see anything that it's waiting on. Let's minimize a bunch of stuff here and see if something pops up. I don't see anything. Nothing in the taskbar. Yeah, we should have ran this as administrator. Oh, there it goes. Creating virtual environment. So all we gotta do is here. So we got an interpreter picked already. Go to interpreter settings. Yep, we want JetBrains to be able to access stuff. So the package we're gonna add is the same one we just did, which is Tesseract. See if it's gonna show up. Not liking it. Why not you liking it? Let's just try. It's not showing anything. Why not? We may need to restart. We got a Pi project here. Nothing to show. I'm actually going to restart this guy. Exit. Let's go to PyCharm. Let's try this again. This time we're just going to click on here and run as administrator. That's just so it gives it access to all the file locations and stuff like that. So let's go back here now. Tip of the day, we don't need that. Interpreter settings. Loading. Add. Oh, there we go. So now let's try and find it. Pi Tesseract. Where are you at? I believe it's this one. AIO, not the one we want. Oh, there it is, Pi Tesseract. So we want this guy. And we're going to say install package. And then hopefully we'll get package install successful. Ding, ding, ding. It's going to install some other things. I think we're going to pill for this, but it says install successfully, so we're okie dokie there. So I think we're looking pretty good. So let's go here and go, again, we're in PyCharm. We're going to say, hey, new Python file. We'll call this Py, or we'll call it, I guess, script. S for script, and we'll call it image img to text. Hit OK, and there we got. And I do think we're going to need pill from this, so basically we're going to go from pill. Oh, pill is installed to that. Import image. That's kind of, we're going to read the image in, and then we want to go from Tesseract import Tesseract, and just we're going to do it as object. I'm just giving it a variable name so that it's easier to call. We don't have to spell it out every time. Call it PyTes or something like that. So we do have to give it the path to where the installer put the exe, and I think I copied that. So if we go back to here, and yep. So if we go to this file, there should be an exe in here somewhere called Tesseract. And it's got to be an exe. So if we go in here, right there it is. So we want to take this guy, and we're going to say, okay, there's going to be a string, and it's path to Tez equals this guy, and since I didn't do the whole R thing, we're just going to do //. Keep life easy, and then this is double \, and I believe it's just Tesseract copy paste.exe. So that's what it's going to call. So let's go ahead and just run this just to make sure everything, well, it's actually not going to do much stuff. And then we're going to need an image. So we're going to say path to image. I don't have an image on here right now. So we're just going to put a holding spot. So then we're going to do object ing camel case it equals image.open, and we're going to open image path, which is path to image, and then we want to say Tez dot Tesseract command, and this is where we're going to tell Tesseract where this executable is. So that's going to be path to Tez, and then we're going to say the text that we're going to get back is going to be equal to that Tez dot image to text, I believe is the name of it. Image to string, I guess is a better one. And we're going to pass in that image path, or that image, which is our image, and that should give us some text back. So if we go print s text, we should see something printed out. So give me a second to go find an image that we can use as a... Okay, so I found a little test image here, little JPEG file from a physics paper, I think at some point, something I grabbed off the internet. It's a JPEG, nothing fancy. Basically dropped it into my little code folder here, called it test. Went in here, changed my code to test.jpg, and just dropped it in as a string, and then let's run it and see if it works. So you run this guy, and whammo bammo, you got text. So converted this guy to a string that we can now play with. So that's it. This guy's up and running. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.